If you're seeing not registered on network on your Ultramobile phone, it means your SIM card isn't connecting to T-Mobile's network properly. This usually boils down to two main issues: SIM provisioning and network selection. SIM provisioning is the activation process. When you insert your SIM, Ultramobile's servers need to verify and register it. Network selection is your phone's ability to find and connect to the correct network. Ultramobile uses T-Mobile's network. If this fails, you get the error. This can be due to delays, incorrect account setup, or even a damaged SIM. Ensure your account has active service and that your SIM card is properly inserted. A simple restart or toggling airplane mode can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. First, restart your phone and toggle airplane mode on and off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the network. Next, check your SIM card. Make sure it's properly inserted and not damaged. Verify your Ultramobile account balance and plan status through their app or website. In your phone's settings, manually select the network. Go to Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Network Operators, and search for T-Mobile, then select it. Also, check your APN settings. They should typically be wholesale or fast.tmobile.com. If none of these steps work, contact Ultramobile support for further assistance or SIM replacement. For eSIM users, try reprovisioning via the Ultramobile app.